Sometimes it's all about just getting out there, having a dig and just talking to people. And that's where I'm heading right now. I'm going to go talk to Lisa at the Kiama Business Chamber and see if we can work together. One of the biggest challenges of being a single shooter is actually finding someone to record, as you need it. So sometimes you just got to vlog, which I'm doing right now. I don't want to apologise for the shakiness of the camera, but we're out here doing it, we're smashing it.
A few moments later.
Just had a really good meeting there with Lisa, Kiama Business Chamber. Spoke about a fair few things. We discussed about what the Business Chamber can do for me and SRM Media and what I can hopefully do for them and Kiama as a whole. I want to create content and not only just help me, because I won't lie, I'm a business, I need to make money, but I want to do what I love. Let's see if we can go and get some more business somewhere else, and have a chat to some more people. I think advertising for business is pretty important. You just got to get your return of investment, which basically means that if I'm going to pay money, it's got to earn me money. That's something you've got to think about in business. But as I said, I'm glad you're on this journey with me in beautiful sunny Kiama. Have a look where I'm sitting right now. Have a look at this. Ready? Beautiful. People out here today having a bit of fun, doing what they love. Here's one guy over here. See, it's all about doing what you love. Now I'm walking back to my car to go and get in it and see where we're going next.